Hey friends, Will Silvers here, driver Mojo. Today we're driving a laser spot truck for Yard Dog, and we're gonna show you the perfect setup right here. Here we go. Let's go ahead and circle around and get our truck and trailer sight side approach. So there's a yard spot I just passed not too far back. I'm gonna circle around to it and I'm gonna snug up to these trailers pretty close. But I want to give myself enough time for this trailer behind me for the tandems to get straightened out and this trailer to be straight exactly behind me. So it's starting to straighten out. It takes a little while. That the tractor with a trailer, it's like having a big dumb brother. Always follows you around and you gotta make sure that he stays out of trouble. Well, that's your back tandems back there. Those are what you always want your eye on. All right, so we're approaching our open spot. And we're not too far away from these trailers here. We're probably about 5-6 feet away. Here's a spot that I am intending on parking in. Right there is the one. That's spot 100. My shoulder is right even with this spot. I'm going to pull forward 3 spots. 1 spot, 2 spot, grass spot. And at this point, assuming that my tractor is facing 9 o'clock, everything is straight, pretend your tractor is facing 9 o'clock. We're gonna turn the wheel to the right and we're gonna move this tractor until it reaches about 11 o'clock. Here we go. Check the mirrors. Tractor turning. We're about 11 o'clock right here. Start to return back to 9 o'clock. We're now back to 9 o'clock, and we're going to straighten these wheels all the way out. And now, as I look back, I see a beautiful thing. The back of that trailer is pointed exactly at that open spot. Now all I have to do is hit reverse and either use a little bit of left, a little bit of jackknife, or a little bit of chase to get in there. You turn the wheel one way, you're gonna get a jackknife effect and the back wheels will pivot. If you turn it the other way, they will roll. So let's see if we can get this. Now we're gonna have this beeper going, but hopefully you'll be able to see what I see. But so far, we've got the perfect setup. As I approach, I can straighten it out. At a certain point, I want to start pivoting. And that's right in front of that trailer right next to it. My tandems, I don't know if you can see, but the wheels are right in front of that other trailer. Let's spread that out just a bit, see if you can see that. So now I'm going to start jackknifing. I've got my wheel all the way hard right, and when I do that, my wheels pivot. You want to start this pivot a little bit in front of that other trailer. We're pivoting that back in. And once we get to a certain point, we want to start chasing it on in, and we'll open this up. Now I'm going to start pivoting to the left and give this a little bit of chase in where it goes back. And those wheels will start rolling. Now it takes a second. I had it into a hard 90 at that point. It's going to take a bit of opening up. Now we're getting pretty close there. So we're gonna do a pull forward. Get our wheels straightened back out again. Good. We'll use our same technique here again. Now we're open up enough to where we can chase on in. And that offset is going. If we need a little bit more turn, we go to the jack side, which is to the right side. If we want to go to the chase side and just go straight back, we'll go to the left. Left is chase, right is jack. On a side-side approach. And of course, that's always the side you want to be coming in on. A side-to-side approach. We're watching that back wheel the whole time. And we're watching that line. So judging from this left-hand side, we can tell if we're in the center of the lane, or if we're tight, or if we're in the danger zone too far away from that line. Too far away from that line means we're getting ready to hit something on the other side. Judge it from this side. Guide it right on in. I hope you guys are seeing.